which are more acidic than the primary alcohols. Okay, please do remember this is the order of acidity of the alcohols. Okay. Now we have to discuss one more point regarding the acidity of the alcohols, that is comparison of acidity of the alcohols with the water. Okay, I will write a sentence here. Alcohols are weaker acids than water. Okay, this is the statement I have given. Now we just have to search the reason for that. Okay, what I have told, alcohols are weaker acids than the water. See, acid means it is not the one which is strong acid. We are just discussing about its acidity. Okay, water is slightly acidic in nature. Okay, but alcohols are still lesser acidic than the water. Okay, alcohols are weaker acids than the water. Okay, because see here, in case of alcohol, I will take a CH3OH. Okay, what happens? CH3O minus plus H plus. Okay, this is called as alkoxide or here methoxide ion. Okay, it is in case of alcohols. Okay, in case of water, what happens? In case of water, it forms a hydroxide ion, OH minus plus H plus. Okay, yes. I'll write it as O minus to show this bonding. This is the carbon oxygen bonding, not hydrogen oxygen bonding. Okay, yes. This is what? Methoxide, or generally it is alkoxide. Yes, alkoxide ion, and it is what? Hydroxide ion. I'll repeat. The acidity depends upon the polarity of the carbon oxygen bond. Okay, polarity of the carbon oxygen, acidity depends upon the polarity of the OH bond. Okay, and acidity also depends upon the when it releases the H plus ion to behave as a Bronsted acid. It has to release H plus ion to behave as a Bronsted acid. But after releasing H plus ion, the remaining alkoxide ion should be stable enough. Are you getting my point? After releasing the H plus ion, the leftover alkoxide ion must be stable enough. If it is stable, then it is acidic. If it is less stable, then it will be less acidic in nature. See here, alcohol after donating the proton, alkoxide ion is formed. Water after donating the proton, hydroxide ion is formed. Okay. Here, the formed alkoxide ion is less stable. Why it is less stable? Because of the plus I effect exhibited by the alkyl group. It shows the plus I effect here, and shared pair of electron moves here. Electron density increases. There is a possibility of breaking this bond. And in case of water, because of the absence of alkyl group, hydroxide ion is stable. I'll repeat. In case of alcohols, because of the presence of alkyl group, the formed alkoxide ion is less stable. In case of water, because of the absence of, due to the absence of alkyl group, the formed hydroxide ion is more stable. This is the reason why alcohols are weaker acids than water. Okay, this is the reason why alcohol is weaker acid than water. Okay, this is about the acidity. In the acidity, what are the points we have discussed? Why alcohols are acidic in nature and how alcohols are acidic in nature, and comparison of acidity of the alcohols and water. Got it? Okay. Students, In today's class, we have discussed about the physical properties of the alcohols, boiling point and solubility, and also we have started with the chemical properties. In case of chemical properties, we got to know that alcohols can behave as electrophiles as well as nucleophiles. And after that, we are discussing about the acidity of the alcohols. Okay, in the next class we'll discuss about the remaining reactions of the alcohols. Hope you are understanding and writing and noting down each and every point what we are discussing here, and those points will be important for your theory examination as well as your competitive examination. Okay, thank you students.